The elements with atomic numbers 11 to 20 include metals and nonmetals. Sodium, Na, atomic number 11, is crucial for nerve function. Magnesium, Mg, atomic number 12, is important for photosynthesis in plants. Aluminium, Al, with atomic number 13, is used for packaging and construction. Silicon, Si, atomic number 14, is vital in electronics and computers. Phosphorus, P, atomic number 15, is essential for DNA and cell membranes. Sulphur, Yes, atomic number 16, is used in manufacturing sulfuric acid. Chlorine, Cl, atomic number 17, is used for water purification. Argon, Ar, atomic number 18, is used in welding and lighting. Potassium, K, atomic number 19, is important for muscle function. Calcium, Ca, atomic number 20, is crucial for bone health. Each element has unique properties and roles in various fields. Understanding these elements helps in sciences, technology, and medicine. Their diverse uses demonstrate chemistry's impact on daily life. Studying these elements enhances appreciation for the periodic table.